Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to our new live trading session here at Trademy. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Jenna. Stephen, good morning. I'm very happy to see you this morning over here. We are expecting a nice trading day today on Wednesday morning. Normally Wednesday mornings are very active and very volatile, and also today we are looking to this nice trading day. Let's start immediately. So guys, I hope you had all a nice day yesterday and today. Hello Patrick. Patrick just joined us. Welcome Patrick to this webinar, to this live session. Now we didn't put any trades yet on the indices, but we are very close now. I want to go short on DAX. I'm going short on DAX. It had a very strong drop this morning. It has a very strong drop, although our indicators are showing an uptrend right now. Let me see. As you can see, the candles, they closed all outside of the Bollinger Band. Yes, I will go short, guys. I'm going short on DAX. Just open the position on DAX. So I went short and I will put my take profit. Hello, Richard. Hello, Jeff. Welcome back. Guys, I just went short on DAX. If you want to follow, you will get a better price right now. And I'm putting my take profit at 12,130. And my stop loss I'm putting at 12,175. There we go, guys. I didn't get it. I will write it again. 12,130 is my take profit, and my stop loss is at 12,175. There we go. So I got my stop loss and a profit order. Let's write it down. Hello Adrian, you are back. Hello James. Oh, I see also George just joined us. Guys, I'm happy to see you. Hello Dean. Dean is back. I have been missing you guys. Some days I haven't seen you, and I'm glad to see you. I see Peter joined us as well. Hello, Peter. Peter, welcome to this nice live trading session. Also, Stephen is with us today. Hello, Stephen. And I see Adrian was busy. Adrian, you are busy with work. If you concentrate a bit more on trading, maybe one day you will not need to work and just open some trades, you know. So let's put our trade which we just opened. We are short on DAX, and we opened our position at 12,145, and our stop loss is at 12,175, and our take profit is at 12,130. There we go. Okay, I see Patrick is telling me about Nasdaq that he's making $500. That's good. That's good. Let's have a look together on Nasdaq. What is going on Nasdaq? Let me see. Oh, a wonderful downtrend. A wonderful downtrend on Nasdaq. Yes, I believe it will continue to drop. I believe it will continue to drop. And you know what? I will sell it as well. Let me see if I can get a better price. On Nasdaq, I'm thinking to. Okay, I will put a sell limit on Nasdaq because I think it will continue to drop, but I'm hoping for a better price on Nasdaq. So I want to enter it at 7,015. Sell limit at 7,015. This is my sell limit on Nasdaq, and I just opened it. So there we go. There we go. Great. So I see. Let me see. I have some pending questions here. I see that Mary just closed one short since yesterday with DAX with profit. Thumbs up. It's a good decision. And Mary is saying also, but having a losing position with Italy 40 since yesterday. I think we went yesterday long on Italy 40, if I'm not mistaken, and I closed it with a stop. Oh, Italy 40 has also a very nice downtrend. I'm selling also Italy 40, guys. DAX is on profit. Italy 40, we just opened the Italy 40 position and it has a very, very, very strong downtrend. Mary, can you please tell me at which price you entered yesterday on Italy 40, because I closed already those positions. I entered now Italy 40. Let me see where I want to put my take profit. Okay, I will put my take profit at 21,100. 21,100. So there we go. 21,100 is my take profit, and my stop loss is at 21,400. No, 1,400. 21,400. Let me see. So I will go to okay. Maybe the take profit it's too narrow. Yes, the take profit is too narrow. I will take it a bit down. So there we go. So I went short on Italy 40, and I entered at 21,154. My stop loss is at 21,400, and my take profit is at 20,987. There we go. There we go. So Mary entered at 21,492. Yes, you could hedge a bit actually, yes, because I'm expecting Italy 40 within the next days to reverse. So now you can hedge to close a bit your losses, to minimize your loss. But with hedging, Mary, you have to be very carefully. You have to know when you need to exit the market. So if you hedge a position and then you have to check when it's the perfect time for you to exit one of the positions because you believe that the reversal just started. If you like, we can book a one-to-one session, Mary, so we can have a closer look on your hedged position and to take some actions over there. I see also Nasdaq's position just got triggered, guys. For everybody who just joined us, you're welcome, Mary. So just for everybody who just joined us, we put a pending order on Nasdaq because we were expecting the price to go a bit up and then continue to fall, and this is what happened. Our sell limit got triggered, and now we are making $60 on Nasdaq right now. This is good. Let me write it down. USA 100. We entered at 70.15, and I will put my stop, my take profit. I will put it on 6,990, and my stop loss I will put at 7,040. This is what I will do. So there we go. Our take profit stop loss is at 7,040, and our take profit is at 6,990 on USA 100. So currently we have opened 3 positions, guys. We opened on DAX a sell position, on Italy 40 a sell position, and on USA 100 a sell position. Great. So let's go also to our next gold, safe haven gold, if we have anything to do here. If we can do anything here. Gold stays in a very strong downtrend. It is currently traded at 1,250. But I don't see at the moment an entry pattern. I will put a limit over here as we did with Nasdaq. Let me put a limit, order, sell limit. I expect the price to drop, but it will take a bit time to drop. So I will go, I'm putting now a pending order, and I am expecting the price to go to 1,000, sell limit at 1,259.5. There we go. We just put a sell limit, gold, a sell limit at 1,259.50, and it will get triggered, and then it will start dropping down. So this is in general now our picture. We have 3 positions open and 1 sell limit on gold. Let's see what is happening with oil, if we have any nice movements on oil. Not much. After the movement of last week where we had the big OPEC meeting, Not much to get here. Very narrow. I expect that it will drop in the next few days, but currently it's not for me of interest to trade it. I will just leave it right now and we see. Let's go back to Italy 40, which is making us some losses right now. No, Italy 40, I trust in the movement. I trust and I believe. Yes, I might wait a bit more on Italy 40 and increase my exposure on Italy 40 in a short while, guys. Yes, in a short while, once the market starts to move in my direction again, I will close, I will increase my exposure on Italy 40. This is what I will do. I see it on the screen, it will start dropping, and when the time comes, I will enter it again. I will enter it again and increase my exposure on it. So we have 3 positions open, one on DAX, one on Italy 40, and one on Nasdaq, and we have one sell limit on gold moving. Not moving yet. Okay, good. Good, guys, good. So, let's see, France 40. As you see, the European indices all day opened with a huge gap, with a huge drop this morning. And right now they are a bit calming down, but then they will follow again the trend and move again in our favor. What is here with DAX? Okay, DAX started to move in our favor. Let's see if we should react on it. As you know, the last 2 days, our first trend is always DAX hitting stop loss, but then we catch it up. So let me see, maybe we have to react over here. Now I will leave it. I'm not sure right now with DAX. With DAX, I'm not 100% sure right now if I should continue or if I should leave it. Guys, we are close to hit stop loss on DAX, but I see on my charts that the downtrend will continue. So now I'm thinking if I should modify my stop loss and leave the trade to move a bit. Okay, guys, I will move my stop loss a bit. I will modify my stop loss very. I just increased my stop loss on DAX. DAX stop loss, it's now at 12,182. I modified it because I believe it's just a short movement now that DAX is moving right now in the up direction. What about Italy 40? Italy 40, still space to go down. Okay, I will leave it, guys. These are the two trades which I have to monitor very, very closely this morning and react in case that it's needed. So I thought that Kyriakos put some orders. Let me pass to Kyriakos to show you about, give us an update about the Forex market. So Kyriakos, please feel free.
Thank you very much, Elif. Welcome, and from me as well, guys, welcome to this morning's trading session. A morning session that hasn't started well for me, at least for the Forex. I have already hit a stop loss on, as you can see here, on pound-dollar trades before the trading room starts, currently down approximately $960. I have opened some positions on dollar CHF and Euro CAD, short dollar CHF 6 lots and long 6 lots Euro CAD. Now they are not going well, but since I'm using very tight stop losses, I'm not worried at all about these red colors here. So basically, let me show you what I have seen on dollar CHF. On dollar CHF, after an uptrend, I saw here a double top pattern. It was completed here. That's why I have entered short positions here. My first position and the second position was initiated exactly at this point here, which is more or less 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. Good morning, George. Good morning, Patrick. Good morning, Mary. So I have seen a double top pattern here. That's why I have entered short positions. I was a bit unlucky, I will say, because of the spread. 1, 2, 3 times my take profit was not hit. Let's see how it will behave this time. On dollar yen, that's the second trade, the second pair that I'm currently trading. I see a beautiful failure swing here. This is an A, B, C. It's a failure swing top reversal pattern. It was completed here. I have entered my first short position here, and also I have placed at the fib of 50% retracement level of this move my second sell limit order, targeting the level I'm pointing right now, which is at 109.49. Moreover, I have also entered 6 lots long dollar CAD because I saw this failure swing here. Is ABC. It has broken to the upside. I have entered long positions. I have entered again another long position here. So that's 2 positions from 3 lots each. But see what the market is doing. It has broken to the upside, and let's hope that's not a so-called bull trap. A bull trap is when the market goes up, the bulls go long, and suddenly breaks to the downside, to the opposite side. So let's hope that this one is not a bull trap. We are 6 lots long on dollar CAD. Now, pound dollar, we hit stop loss, we don't touch it again. Euro dollar, it's a mess, guys. Look at euro dollar, down, up, down, up, down, up, forget it. Euro CAD, we have a position. Dollar yen, we have a position. Dollar CHF, we have a position. So we are monitoring. Euro Aussie is either side breakout. If I see a 5-minute breakout on the upside, I will go long. If I see a 5-minute breakout of this level to the downside, I will go short. Same for USD CAD. As you can see, the pairs today are in a narrow trading range, meandering around the boundary, the upper and lower boundaries of this range. It's either side breakout. We will go with them, guys. Aussie dollar, again, it's an either side breakout. Again, euro yen, still no indication of direction, and we are monitoring Bitcoin and Ethereum today. And yes, we will have our first trades on Bitcoin and Ethereum, but we need to be patient in order to give us the right signals. So regarding news announcements, I had a look on the Forex Live calendar, and I saw that today Bank of England Governor Garney is talking. Let me check the hour. Is talking at 8:30 UTC time. Okay, in 8:30 UTC time. That's in approximately, yes, it's approximately at 8 minutes. So we might observe some volatility on pound pairs. However, we don't have any positions currently on GBP pairs. We have hit stop loss on pound dollar and we are waiting for a signal on pound yen. Other news for the moment, remember that we are monitoring the news from forexlive.com. For the moment, we have at 12:30 the durable goods orders from the US, 12:30 UTC time, and then we have pending home sales later in the afternoon at 2 o'clock UTC time. Also later at night, we have the Royal Bank of New Zealand interest rate decisions. So those who like trading the Kiwi, have in mind that tonight at 9 o'clock UTC time, we will have the interest rate decision of Royal Bank of New Zealand. Expectations is to keep the interest rates unchanged at 1.75%. And a bit before that, at 7 o'clock in the evening, we have the Central Bank Governor of Canada speech at 7 o'clock UTC time. So for the moment, our attention, the only important announcement that we currently have affecting our trading session in 5 minutes is Bank of England's Governor's Carney speech. So let's see what our trades are doing. Euro CAD, it went up, now it's falling again. We will see if it holds. Dollar CHF, it went down, we went short, now it's rebounding a bit. Our dollar yen trade, again, it's a failure swing. That's a classic example of a failure swing. My stop loss is above this level. Let's see if we will get also the second order triggered. Euro Aussie, we are approaching. If we see a close below this level, we will enter short positions. So we are closely monitoring that. Same for dollar CAD, Aussie dollar still nothing, guys. Range, Euro Yen hasn't indicated the levels yet. Bitcoin, okay. For Bitcoin, we need to wait for a pattern to be formed. And we will see what type of position we will enter. For the moment, we have nothing on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Pound yen, nothing yet. So these are the 5 pairs, the 6 pairs, Euro Aussie, Euro dollar, Aussie dollar, Euro yen, Bitcoin and Ethereum and pound yen. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 2 cryptos and 5 pairs. We still have orders to trade on them. As we can see, most probably we will continue our losing strike for today. I think that we will hit also stop loss on Euro CAD. When the trend reverses, doesn't continue the uptrend, the result is to hit a stop loss. That's a part of the game and it's fully acceptable. I don't like personally when the trends start down and then they reverse either to the upside or to the downside. This kills me personally, kills my trades. But okay, the day is still very early. We can do better in the afternoon, but we will see. So that's all I have for today. Regarding the news announcements, I don't see any other important news worth of mentioning them. Does anyone want to ask me anything about a particular trade that has placed on any FX pair, or please free to ask. I mean, George, which pairs do you trade today? Patrick, George, Mary, you are still on indexes. Okay, only indices today. Good for you, because Forex, silver, is indecision, guys. I mean, for example, on pound dollar, it has broken to the upside. We went long here, we went long here, and suddenly started to move up. We hit stop loss on euro CAD as well. So I hate why this happens. We had a reversing of trades, of intraday trades. Good for you, good for you. DAX, the indices are much more smooth. Yes, you are right, George. So we hit a stop loss on euro CAD, $800 on DAX. Well done, George. Elif, are you close to a take profit? Okay, I'm transferring you to Elif.
Guys, I'm not close to a take profit, but I just want to show you that sometimes to play a bit with your risk makes sense. Like we are on top of this chart right now and we decided to modify our stop loss a bit. We increased our risk willingness, and indeed the price went to the point where we had our first stop loss before we modified it. And if we would have kept it, we had right now a loss around $600. What we did when we saw the action, although the trend was against us, we knew that the market will move in our direction. I increased my willingness to lose a bit more. I modified my stop loss, and now, as you see, the DAX turned back, and now we have just a small loss of $80. So if we would have kept our first stop loss, we would be now with a loss of $600 on the closed position side. But now we were willing to change our stop loss a bit. We slightly modified it. And currently we are in the money with this position. It's good, right? That's why sometimes it's really important to have a bit of willingness and to trust in your decisions, not to get stressed just because a position went a bit against you. No, to trust in your position and in your decisions. And this is what we made. And now we are a bit in money with this position. And I believe it will still continue to drop. So, knowing that, also our USA 100 is making right now $150. Our DAX position, which was meant to be closed with $600 loss, it's making right now $70. And our Italy 40 position, which was losing $1,900, is losing right now just $300. Is this good? This is good. So don't get stressed, don't get panicked during trading. Trust in your decision, because you put a trade because you see a possibility, and check if you can stick on this trade. And this is what we did, and we made some profits. Now, I was telling you that I might increase my exposure on Italy 40, and for me now the signals are clear. I will increase my exposure on Italy 40. I will open another sell position of Italy 40, sell. There we go. I opened another sell position on Italy 40. I will put the same stop loss and take profit levels. We see, yes, Patrick, there are some trade balance news today, including for Italy. Let me see, stop loss 400, but I believe until the announcement will come out, my positions will be in profit. So except of this, when I checked When I check a bit the Italian news, because I'm checking also all the other countries' news, I saw that the outlook for the trade balance is not as positive as expected. The issue with all with refugees is really bothering the government, and the trade balance doesn't look so promising. So I expect that Italy 40 might drop. So going back, let's see our gold position. What's going on with gold? As we said, we put a sell limit, but our sell limit didn't got triggered, but gold started to drop. This is the moments where I think, okay, I was so focused on that I totally neglected gold, and we see that it quite dropped a lot. Let me see if I see possibility. Oops, we hit take profit, guys. Ching ching. On our DAX position, which was meant to be closed at $600 month, we hit our take profit, ching ching, $350. We closed our first DAX position. So also our USA 100 position is making right now some money. USA 100. Let's see, let's have a look. Yes, it's making money. It's making money. It will get there. It will get there. Let it run. In a short while, we will close also our USA 100 position. Let's go back to gold. Maybe we can. Yes, guys, I'm going short on gold. I just went short on gold. I will delete my sell limit. So I went short on gold. For anybody who just came with me, you would get a better price if you enter right now. But I went short on gold, and let me see. I'm expecting the price to drop until 1,255.50, and my stop loss I will put at 1,260. Yes, this is what I will put. There we go, guys. I just modified my let me write it down. There we go. Gold short. We are short on gold. We entered at 1,256.61, and my stop loss is at 1,260. My take profit is at 1,255.50. There we go, guys. And I'm expecting here to get some money in. So going back to Italy 40. Again, here I trust my decision of a short position. I see it very clearly. It might go a bit up, but it then will drop. So I will keep this position. The volatility is totally normal in the movement. And with DAX, we saw we had a small drop, got our take profit, and now it's going very well. Let me see if I find a possibility here again to put a new trade on DAX. No, not yet. Guys, I'm thinking to open another position, another sales position on DAX. Okay, I will put a sell limit so I can focus on my other positions. I will put a sell limit. Let's go there. New order, we put a sell limit. I want a sell limit on DAX when the price goes, yes, to 12,159.50. So then I will sell. There we go. I put the sell limit, L limit, DAX at 12,159.50. This is what I do because I expect the price to go up now a bit and then return back, and I will get the better price of it. This is why I leave it. So now on Italy 40, a very narrow movement here. You see the price will continue going maybe a bit more up, a few points a bit up, and then it will start dropping significantly with the announcement, and that's why I will leave it. Yeah, I will leave it. Our gold position, gold, yeah, we'll get there. We see a very strong downtrend, and the downtrend didn't end yet, so I'm expecting here a still down. Why I put this position was I was expecting gold to hit 1,259, and then I wanted to sell, but before it reached this level, it started to drop, and I saw that it went below the Bollinger Band and below the moving average. That's why for me it was a strong signal to sell it, and I did. That's why I went short. Let's see our Nasdaq position. Nasdaq is a happy, nice trade on Nasdaq. As you see, our trend is going down as we forecast, and it's going down, and we are happy with it. Let it run, let it run. It will hit our take profit soon. So we are expecting the Italian trade balance. Let me see when it will be. As I said on my research beforehand, I could see that the trade balance is expected to be a bit not as good as usual. The economical outlook of Italy looks a bit problematic right now, so it is expected to be going short on Italy 40. So let's see, where is it? I'm checking my news on Forex Live as as Kyriakos already mentioned, we are checking our news on Forex Live. It's a very trustful source and a quick, trustful source, Forex Live, where you can easily find all the news you are looking for. So in 16 minutes, the trade balance of Italy will be announced. So it will be a very nice and interesting movement. Let's see, our DAX position got triggered right now. As you see, DAX went a bit up and we are short on DAX and it got triggered. Our sell limit got triggered. And let's put our target prices. Gold is starting giving us some profits. So, I'm not. Oh, yes, I'm expecting DAX to drop until 12,120 and to reach, yes, 91, 12,190. This is my take profit and my stop loss for DAX. Let me write it down for you guys. So our DAX sell limit got triggered, so we are short on DAX. We are short now on DAX. What is happening here? Let's put it like that. So we are short on DAX and already making money on DAX, $100. Well done. USA 100 is making $160 and gold is getting there. So we are short on DAX. We entered at 12,159. And our stop loss is at 12,190 and our take profit is at 12,120. There we go, guys. I see that Kyriakos put already his first trades on our cryptocurrencies. Let me pass to Kyriakos to give you guys an update about it. And in the meantime, Kyriakos, in 13 minutes, I want the microphone back.
Okay, thank you very much, Elif. So basically, we have entered our first trade on cryptos. I have bought 0.5 position size Bitcoin USD. I'm trying to buy some more, actually. Okay, now we bought some more. And also I want to buy some more Ethereum. No, it's off quotes for the moment. So basically we have bought 1.5 contract size Bitcoin. This is our stop loss at 5,900 and our take profit at 6,250. I will also put that as well. So our stop loss is at 5,900. That's 1.5 contract size Bitcoin USD. And I will try to buy again some more Ethereum. I want one lot, but for the moment I can't. It's not updated yet. You see here that the time is a bit delayed. As soon as I get a tick price, I will buy some more Ethereum as well. So Bitcoin, we bought 1.5 contract size, and we will buy some more Ethereum. Now, regarding Forex, it's not a good day for us. The majority of our trades close with stop loss. Currently, we have only a long position on dollar CAD with a buy limit order still pending, and a short position dollar yen with a sell limit order pending. We are waiting for signals on Euro Aussie, Aussie dollar, Euro yen. It's falling, but doesn't give me the opportunity to enter it. So I'm just waiting for Euro Aussie and Aussie dollar signals to enter long or short positions, always depending on the direction that they will break. Now, what I see and I like a lot is silver. It's really nice for short positions, and it has a nice stop loss as well. Let me see the daily chart. That's a very strong support level, guys. I mean, this support level of silver has been there since February. So I will enter long silver. I believe that the support will hold. It's a very strong support level. So let me enter with 3 lots buy market silver. So I have just entered silver. Let me check also the specifications. 3 lots. All right. Contract size is 1000. So let me buy 3 more. I will buy 3 more. Okay. Now my stop loss will be a bit lower than this level here. So at 16, guys. So my stop loss will be at 16. And my take profit will be 1660. Okay, we will see how this trade goes. I'm confident and quite sure that this trade eventually will pay us some money. Let me check on the 15-minute chart. I will place also a buy limit order at 16.15. That's a very strong support level. Again, stop loss 16, take profit 16.60. We will keep this trade for a while and see how it goes. But looking at the daily chart, I mean, this level has been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. So why not hold again? So that's what I'm speculating at, that the level will hold again. So our stop loss is at 16 and our take profit is at 1660. So we have entered a long position, long silver, stop loss 16, TP 1660. So that's the new trade we have placed. In the meantime, I want to buy some more Ethereum. Come on, buy. Yes, we bought some more Ethereum. Okay, our stop loss is at 415 and our TP is 450. Okay, we bought some more Ethereum as well. Oh, we bought 3. Okay, we bought 3 contract size Ethereum. All right, we will see how it goes. So Ethereum, we have entered long positions. You see that the spread is quite big. Not so big as other brokers, but it's substantially big. So we bought Ethereum at 441 and around 441. Our take profit now, let me check. This will be more long-term trades instead of short-term. Just a moment to see here, to check the data that I have in front of me. Why not go for a bit higher? I mean, let's go for this level, guys, 465. Let's try and go for this level. So 465 is our take profit on Ethereum instead of 450. So 465, and on Bitcoin, since I believe a recovery is possible, let's go for this level here, 6,430. Let's try it, 6,430. Of course, these are not intraday positions. We will keep them and see how they behave. Now, these are the cryptos trades we have placed. I believe that they are forming a bottom there. That's why I have entered long positions and on Ethereum and on Bitcoin. Now, let's check our pairs, Euro Aussie. I think it's time to enter a short position there. Let me see. Yes, I will enter a short position. Let me check again. No, let's go long on Euro Aussie. So I will buy Euro Aussie. I just bought Euro Aussie and I don't believe this break will be valid. So my take profit, so we just bought Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie, this is our trade. Our take profit will be 158.24. 158.24, and our stop loss, just a moment to check that, our stop loss will be 157.54. 157.54 will be our stop loss. So we have entered long Euro Aussie, stop loss 1.5724 and take profit at 1.5824. All right, so we have placed 3 more trades together with you this morning. We have entered long position Bitcoin, long position Ethereum, long position silver, and we have also bought Euro Aussie. Now, do you have any questions, any pairs that you have traded, anything that you want to ask my opinion regarding the analysis I see in the pairs? Is there anything at all you would like to assist you with? Any pairs you have traded? Anything at all? All right, I'm transferring you to Elif. She has more updates on the indices. Thank you.
Thank you, Kyriakos. I told you in 15 minutes I want the microphone back, and the time has come. So in around 2 minutes, we will get to know what happens with the trade balance of Italy. In the meantime, I can say that our trades, they develop quite good. We don't have very sharp and fast movements today, but we have stable directions. So our positions are going quite well. The trade balance of Italy, for everybody who didn't manage to join all our classes until now, trade balance is giving the difference between imported and exported products of a country. And if I'm looking at it, yeah, if you import more than you export, it's interpreted as negative for the economy, because you depend on products from outside. There are some advanced theories about it, which they say for everybody who studied economics will know about it, that they say, okay, if you import more than you export, doesn't mean that it's bad for the economy, because you might import stuff which are important for producing stuff to export, or you might import stuff which are much more cheaper to import them than produce them in your country by your own. So it's again good for the economy. And there is the further theory which says what there are countries which they import stuff, they import and copy these products, and by the end they become better than the countries which they were exporting a product and start exporting those products to other countries. China is an example of this. A lot of times they give China as an example while they were now they start to produce everything which they were once importing. So let's see. I think the time has come. What's going on with Italy? Let's go. No result yet announced. I see our gold position, our USA 100 position, and our DAX position are in money. Let's see how Italy's reaction will be. The reading is not out, although the time has come. That's now interesting. We are looking for Italy. They didn't give the result out yet. We are looking. Let's get it bigger. Let's get it bigger to see and react in case it is necessary. Let's see. Yes, it's dropping. Gold and USA 100 are giving us profit. Also, DAX is giving us profit. The result of the trade balance still didn't come up. They are a bit late. Sometimes this happens, that the announcement is at 9 and the countries, they don't announce it immediately, and it takes few minutes. Okay, let's see. I don't see a huge reaction on the indices. There is a drop, but not significant. It's getting interesting. Our DAX position, gold position, and USA 100 is our Nasdaq position is in profit. There we go. So Italy is giving some reactions. Gold is quite active, but come on, the result is not published yet. Let me see. I will check the official website of the official Italian website. Nothing there. By the way, guys, you don't forget that we have today also our oil inventories. Just have it in mind. Gold position is giving us right now $600. And let me see what is going on gold. Yes, gold is coming close to our take profit. It's giving us $600, and I see that the trend will continue to drop. A wonderful, wonderful picture. You see gold went up and now it's dropping, giving us $700. $700. This is good. $800. $800. Gold. Gold will still continue to drop. In the meantime, we check if Italy announced something. Nothing. $900. Gold is giving us $900 right now. Very close to our take profit. We are close, guys. We will have a ching ching very soon. We are going to have a ching ching very soon, guys. Get ready. Get ready. Anybody with me in gold? Okay, I see nobody's with me in gold. Pity, pity, pity. Pity. We make a nice profit on it. Yes, so only the spread. Okay. The Italians still didn't announce anything. Even on the official website, it's not announced. I guess the result is so bad that they don't want to announce it. Well, Italy's situation right now is very critical, as you know. 2 months ago, they had some elections, and the extreme right party got high results. I see. I'm checking right now gold and Italy if something is reacting, but it's not. Just gold is giving us money right now. And right now in Italy, there is a big crisis regarding the refugees. The right-wing party, $900 on gold. The right-wing party is refusing accepting more refugees coming from Africa, and this makes a difficult connection to European Union, which countries like Germany and Sweden and Norway, they try to convince Italy to accept them. No result yet on Italy 40. It was supposed to be 7 minutes ago to be announced, and even on the official website, I can't find any information. So either it's a sign of that the results are so bad nobody wants to announce. I know. But I don't see any results coming out. Well, we are looking still at our gold position. We'll get there. I'm ready to close it with $900 profit. I'm ready to close it. It's a wonderful movement. As you see, it goes up, it comes down. I'm expecting that it will drop until 1,254, and then it will start going up again. Italy 40 is not giving us any signals of movement currently. The result was not published yet, although it's 8 minutes overdue. Let me refresh it. Just right now they published it, and it's a positive number. The previous trade balance of April was 1.86 billion, and the current one is 2.3 billion of trade balance now in May. What does this mean? It is a bullish signal that the trade balance is positive because you exported more than you imported. But I don't see the reaction on Italy 40. If we check it for the last 5 minutes, no reaction. Like I would expect with such a result, which is the double, almost the double from last month, that Italy 40 should have been jumping by now. But I don't see it. However, we have our trades. It's better for us because we were short on sell. It's better for us that it's not really jumping. I stick on my trade that it will continue to drop. It seems that it will take a bit more time than we expect. The movement down. We have a position open on USA 100. We have a position open on gold, which they are making money. DAX is started to struggle a bit, but it's good. Let's have a look again on DAX if we might close it a bit earlier than expected. No, we can leave our take profit as it is and close it at that. Let me see. No, I will leave my take profit at the current level, and I believe that the price will continue to drop. Also, Nasdaq has a very nice down movement. I mean, you see it. It's a stable down movement. It will give us our profit soon. Now it's recovering a bit, but it will give us our profit soon. Gold. On gold, we have to be a bit careful. On gold, there is a support level at our take profit. And because of the spread, our take profit was not triggered. And I'm expecting now when it comes a bit closer to close the position manually, because it's a support level where I put my take profit on gold. I put it at 1,255. I see on my indicators that in a short while it will reverse. So I have to close this position on time before it starts reversing. And when it starts reversing, I will open a long position on gold. But before I open the long position, I want to close this short position. So it will come down to my take profit level, but because of the spread, it couldn't get triggered. I will close it manually once it comes close to there. So guys, these are my trades. I will follow, I will keep them monitored very closely. We hit one take profit today. with $355. Our sell limit, which we opened on gold, we closed it manually. Yes, I will keep monitoring it very, very frequently. And for you guys, I will update you on Forex, on Facebook and on Twitter about what I'm doing with these trades. So follow us on Twitter. It's Trademy A. So you can get and be up to date with our trades. Let me check if Kyriakos has any kind of updates for you, and we see how we will continue. Kyriakos, do you have any updates?
Yes, Elif, just a quick update of what we are doing so far. We have closed, just a moment to share my screen as well. So basically we have liquidated our dollar CAD positions and reversed them to short positions. Also, we have cancelled the buy limit order on dollar CAD we had. Currently, we have opened some trades on cryptos. We have entered long positions of Bitcoin, half a lot, plus 1.5 lots. And we have entered also 3.5 lots long on Ethereum. We will keep these positions for a bit long term. Also, we have entered long positions on silver because I see this daily support is very strong. It has tried it 10 times to break it. It didn't. That's why I have entered long on silver. Plus, I have placed one more trade on silver at 16.15 is there. Our stop loss is at 16 because if it breaks this April's low, it's very dangerous to keep the position. We believe that it will recover. So we have entered also a buy position on Euro Aussie. Here at the break, we have entered long positions. We believe that this break is a fake one, targeting this level, and our stop loss is here. And as I said, we have stopped and reversed positions, short positions on USD CAD. Now, the stop loss for USD CAD is at 133.94. We will change that. I will put it at 133.394. So I'm changing 394. I'm changing the stop loss of dollar CAD. So that here it is the stop loss of dollar CAD. So change the stop loss of USD CAD to 1.33394. TP remains the same. And that's all basically I have for the moment. Stay with us. We will keep you updated for any progress or any changes we make. And we will be here with you. You can ask us on the chat room anything you want. Don't forget to visit our website, trademy.com. Of course, you can follow us on Twitter, on YouTube, and on our social media. You can follow us on Twitter at TradeMeA. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel in case you have missed anything or you want to see again our videos. We have very beautiful videos there. And also you can like us on Facebook at trademy.trading.education page. So thank you very much for being with us. We will come back live with you. We will be online with you to answer any chat messages in the chat room. If you have any questions, just type your questions in the chat room and we'll be more than welcome to answer them. And we will be back live with you at 1 o'clock UTC time. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for your participation this morning. Always a pleasure to have you with us, and we will speak to you again at around 1 o'clock UTC time in the afternoon. Thank you.
Hello guys, here we are. How are you guys? Everybody here with us? Everybody here? Guys, it was an incredible afternoon. I don't know if you saw it on chat. I put some trades, I closed some trades. I made a loss on Italy 40. I made some profits on Italy 40. Overall, we are still a bit losing. It belongs to a trading day, and gold gives us right now again a buy signal. Gold is in a very nice range right now. It goes up and down as we like. Now we open a buy position on gold. I just opened a buy position on gold, and I will put my take profit. Now I will put my take profit a bit higher than I used to. I will put it at 1,257. This is what I put, and my stop loss I will put at 1,250. This is what I put. There we go. I'm expecting from this trade $2,600. I want to make this money on this trade, and I will let it run now. So I will let it run. I went long on gold. Guys, our first trade in the afternoon, we had a huge movement on gold, on DAX, on all European indices. It was a huge move, and we entered at 1,255, and my stop loss is at 1,250, and my take profit, there we go, is at 1,257. Guys, this belongs to the trading life of everybody, that we lose. We can't always win. Even after so many years of trading, you don't win always. This is very important to know. You lose also from time to time, but the importance on this is that you don't get stressed. That's why it's important that you put your stop loss and take profit at a limit where you say, okay, this is what I can afford to lose. So after telling this again and again, it's always important to emphasize this. I will continue now to check other possibilities. As I said, gold was really nice. We had an uptrend, it dropped down. We had again an uptrend, it dropped down, and now an uptrend started again, and I went long. So Italy 40. As I said, Italy 40 had an incredible move, an incredible uptrend, and the trend still continues, and I might go again here long. I'm waiting for a short pullback to enter it. DAX, the same picture. We had an incredible move. The American core sales were announced, and this made this incredible move up. And we made, I think, around $2,000 on Italy 40, and around $1,000 on DAX. But because we had two sell position on Italy, we are overall a bit down. So going back, shall I enter it here? Let me see, Italy 40. No, Italy 40, I will not. Let me see on the 5-minute chart. I need to wait for a short pullback over here to enter again a long position. The pullback, we need to have a pullback here to get some profits out. Today we didn't look at oil. Let's have a look at oil, guys. It's traded at $71 oil today. While last week before the OPEC meeting, we were with oil at $66. It was traded at $66. By now, it went up to $71, and the movement still continues. I check gold. Gold is giving us some profits. Gold is giving us right now $600. And yeah, gold is giving us $600, but I'm expecting here to get more out of it. I want here my $2,000. I'm expecting the move to go up to here. So let's let it run. We are getting right now $800 on gold, and we opened it just 6 minutes ago. $900. Great, 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 great. Gold is a quite good move today. It has the groove in today. And it's wonderful to trade in and out, go in and go out. But this is the magic of gold. You have to get into the market, get out, get in, get out. Let's leave it over there, and we will continue in a short while once it gives us the money we are looking for. So Italy 40, as I said, we are waiting for a pullback to enter also Italy 40 position. Pullback on Italy 40, we are waiting. We are waiting also for a pullback on DAX. Guys, on Italy, okay, on DAX, I will go again long. I went long on DAX. Let me put also, there we go. Here I modified. So I went long on DAX, and it was a good entry point. I went long on DAX. I need around 25 euros to go up to give me a profit of around $600. So I entered at 12,366, and my stop loss is at 12,338. My take profit is at 12,383. There we go. And we are already in money. We are in money also in gold, in Italy, in DAX. And let's go back to Italy 40 if the pullback is over, so we can enter a buy position. No, it's not finished yet. There is no signal for Italy 40 to buy. I can get a better price. I'm thinking if I should put, yes, I will put a buy limit here. Let's put a new order. We will go for a buy limit. I want to buy it at 21,571. No, I will not put it. I will wait because I see that it, yes, I will wait for it to see what's going on. Gold, what is happening on gold? Gold is quite profiting right now. There is still some money to get out. DAX is profiting. Gold is profiting right now. I'm glad, I'm happy. We have to check this very closely to see if there is a possibility to close the position before it triggers our take profit, but no, I will leave it, but we have to be aware of it. We have to be on top of it. So going back to Italy 40, I'm looking for a nice pullback on Italy 40 to enter the markets and get a better price, because I'm expecting in general Italy 40 to go up, but right now I'm waiting for a pullback. This is what I'm looking for right now. Gold, gold, gold. Go back to gold. You see gold, wonderful. It's giving us right now $1,300. Wonderful. Within 10 minutes, guys. Within 10 minutes, it's giving us $1,300. Guys, let's get ready. Let's get ready. We might close this position in a very, very short while. We have to be on top of it. Also, our DAX position started to give us money. It's at $150 right now. Let's go to Italy. Italy. Yes, I go long now on Italy 40. On Italy 40, I'm going long on Italy 40. Guys, I'm long on Italy 40. I went long on Italy 40. Italy 40, and let me see where we can put our limits. Okay, I want my limit at 21,000. As 21,737 is my take profit, and my stop loss, maybe not that high. Come on, let's be a bit more. Yes, it's okay. It's okay. And my stop loss I will put at 21,205. This is what I do right now. There we go. We put our limit orders and it will go in our direction. We want to make some money on Italy 40. Going back to gold, guys, I will close shortly my gold position, because gold is very, very volatile today. It's extremely volatile today, and I want my profits out of it. DAX is volatile. DAX had also a very nice movement, as you can see today here. Bam, bam, and it went down and up. It has an incredible, nice uptrend, and I'm aiming to the Bollinger, upper Bollinger Band on DAX. This is what I traded, and right now it looks quite good, guys. This looks quite good. In a short while is the American opening. In 16 minutes we will have the American opening, and we expect some movements during the American opening. As you know, the last 2-3 days we had a quite incredible movement. We are long on DAX, we are long on Italy 40, and we are long on gold, guys. We are long, and let's see what the American opening will give us. What the American opening will give us, I hope some money. We need some money today. So before the American opening, I will pass now to Kyriakos to give you an update on The Forex pairs, I see that he's posting and opening nice positions. And I will pass to him. And if I see a nice exit moment, I will let you know, guys.
Thank you very much, Elif, for the pass. A very active trading day today in the Forex desk of Trademy. As you have seen, we have a lot of positions open. So let me share my screen as well. So we have just entered a new position, long dollar CHF position. Our stop losses are 0.98, 99.20, aiming for 99.70 for this here. Nice trends are formed this session. Let's see one by one our positions by symbol. In the morning, if you remember, we have entered 1.5 lots long Bitcoin. You can see that the Bitcoin against the dollar is ranging. So we are waiting for this range to break either side, with the probabilities to our side for an upside break. And for Bitcoin, we are targeting 6,430 price target. We have also entered long positions on Ethereum against the dollar. As you can see, we have a slightly upward trading range channel on the 15-minute chart. Slowly, we believe that the price will eventually hit our target. Now, as Elif mentioned, crazy things happened because of the durable goods on the US. This initiated short positions for us on EuroCAD. We have shorted EuroCAD since we have observed a nice downtrend. As soon as the prices are holding in this area of the indicators, then we will keep our short positions targeting this level here, which is at 153.80. That's why our stop loss is a bit above the middle Bollinger Band for this trade. Also, we have entered long positions Euro-Yen. Actually, is the only pair who indicates bullish attitude from all the Euro pairs. I have observed a nice bullish cross of the moving averages here. The price decline halted close to the moving averages, now is rebounding up. We expect that the price will reach again this high of this candle caused by the durable goods announcement in the US, and that's why we have placed our take profit at this level. Euro dollar, it's all the way down, guys. I don't believe it will hold the 116 level, so that's why we have initiated short positions a bit above 116 level. It's very bearish. Euro dollar is very bearish. That's why we have entered short positions aiming for lower levels and the level of 115.79. Pound dollar, more or less the same as euro dollar. We see a dollar strengthening against other majors. That's why we have shorted it. It's going well. As soon as the price holds below the MA20, there is nothing to worry about. So we believe that this exchange rate of pound dollar of the cable will push further downwards and test the 131.40 price level. On dollar CAD, we have initiated short positions. Our profit was just reached during the news announcement, but now you can see a rebound. The fact that closed above MA20 is not favorable for us. We have the last chance, this Bollinger Band here. We don't want the price to close above this Bollinger Band. If it does, then most probably we will close our trade manually. We have also went long dollar CHF. A nice uptrend was formed, is going up, so we expect a rise, a sharp rise on the dollar CHF pair, and we are aiming for this target here. And also don't forget that in the morning we have entered long positions on silver, currently a bit more lower than our entry level. Don't forget that we have a third buy trade to be triggered at 16.15, just 3 units away. Our stop loss is at $16 and our take profit is at 16.60. And the last pending order we have for the moment is at Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie, this is the chart. We want a correction towards this area here, and most probably we will enter a short position. We have our stop losses, we have our take profits. If the take profit is hit, then before the trade is triggered, then we will cancel this pending order. So, and not big losses, not big profits today on the Forex. Currently, we are down $500, out of which Ethereum is losing us $450. We will keep these positions, especially Ethereum, Bitcoin, and silver for tomorrow, and we will see how they behave. So, don't forget to visit our website at Trademy.com. Our educational support team is more than happy to assist you in choosing the most appropriate training program for you. We have a variety of training programs, and for the experienced traders and for the non-experienced traders, but our real advantage is that you can take advantage of the mentors, guys. You can take advantage of the skills of the mentors, me and Elif. So if you need to discuss something in one-to-one, or if you want to discuss about your trading strategy, or if you want to discuss about your money management, or even if you want to see our methodology, how we trade, you can book a one-to-one session. Hello, Patrick. Okay, you have shorted Dow, $417. All right. So you can arrange a one-to-one session with us at any but you need to contact our educational support team. So Trademy.com is our website. Make sure you visit it and contact our support team to ask any questions or clarifications you might need or request. Now, regarding news announcements, we have the announcement of durable goods order. They were expecting for the United States at 12:30 UTC time, they were expecting a figure of plus 0.5, but it came out very negative at minus 0.3, well below the previous plus 1.9% previous month. And currently we have the CHF is finished, so we have the crude oil stocks at 2:30. That's approximately in 1 hour and 15 minutes from now. And we have, of course, tonight, as I have mentioned in the morning, the interest rates on New Zealand at 9 o'clock p.m. UTC time. So if you have any Kiwi orders, make sure you closely monitor them. The expectations say that they will keep the interest rates fixed at 1.75%. So, anyone has a trade in Forex, in any FX pair that you would like to discuss? Do you have any Forex trades currently opened? Is there any pair you would like to discuss with us, guys? Anything at all regarding Forex? Okay, let me give you a pass to Elif then. Thank you.
Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back. As you know, we have another 7 minutes to go to the American opening, and we are looking to it, and we will react and trade on it. As you know, the last few days we were making some money during the American opening, and I hope and I'm sure that today, in less than 6 minutes during the American opening, we will have some movements due to the news which came out from the States. So, because as you can see here, for example, the huge move over here was shortly after the news, or on DAX, the huge move was after the news. So I'm expecting now that New York will open, will give us extra some movement. So Patrick was short on Dow Jones and made some money. Patrick, this is good. We had also a short position on Dow Jones and made a bit money on it, and then it had this incredible move as well, as you can see over here. And oh no, there we go. We had our position on Nasdaq, not it was on Nasdaq that our position. So actually, when I look at it, very tend to open a position here. I'm very tend to. It looks very, very interesting to trade on Dow Jones. But I want to wait until the American opening. We have another 4 minutes to go for the American opening, and then I'm willing to open more positions. Yes, I want to open more positions. Guys, for everybody, just for you to know, Patrick, we had with Patrick yesterday a one-to-one session, and it seems that it worked out for him, and he started to make some good money the last 24 hours. Yes, Patrick. So I think it is just in your favor to visit and book a one-to-one session to increase your knowledge and your profits, because you know what we say, knowledge, education is equal to power and success. So let's get use out of this important possibility and chance to trade. When I started to trade, I would be really, really happy that if somebody could show me some possibilities and show me the reality of trading, so I could spare maybe a few €1,000 on it. Maybe I could spare my car. As you know, I sold my first car when I wanted to trade. I lost all my money, and then to be able to continue my student life, I had to sell my car. that's the way how I started trading. And now it's getting there, and I would be really, really happy if I had somebody helping me and showing me the way how it goes. Patrick is saying that he started this morning with minus $2,000, and now he's up $3,000. So you see, it makes a difference. It makes a difference to get the 1-2 small tips to trade and get a better understanding of the market. Well, as I said also in the beginning, losses are included. You have also times and days where you will book some losses, but the main and importance is that you make more profits than losses. This is the important part. So we have another 1 minute to go for the American opening. Let's see how the market will react. If the market moves against us, guys, you know, we keep calm. While trading, it's very important that you are calm and cold-blooded. It's very, very important, and this is how you should manage your trades, not to get stressed and close trades just because it moved for a few minutes against you, or don't get over exaggerated just opening any trades just to open. You know, you have to be cold-blooded. You have to be cold-blooded. You can always increase your exposure when you confirm the direction. So don't close position just because of a short movement. There we go. I see already some movement. There we go. The tension is there. The tension is there. You see how the market started to move. Let me see, guys. You see here, our gold position is moving against us, and we have to be here realistic and thinking, okay, let's see. America just opened. We can see it on the 1 minute chart, how fast the market moves right now. It moves against us, but it is right now on a very strong support level. And we will see if this support level will cause a reversal or if it causes a further drop and a breakout. Okay. We follow. You see the market is moving very, very fast right now. Market is moving fast. Let's see what's going on Italy 40. We are long on Italy 40 and the market moves in our favor. Also DAX, we are long on DAX. It started to move in our favor slowly, slowly. Let's go back to gold. Gold is right now my worry. It broke through the support level. I'm losing some money, but I will see. Okay, my indicators show that it will continue to drop. Okay, guys, I'm going short. I'm hedging right now gold. I hedged gold. I hedged gold to see. I see that the price will continue to drop a bit. It is on a very strong support level, but if it breaks through, the next level is quite low. That's why I'm hedging it, so I can control my profits and my loss. Let this position to run. We have to be cold-blooded over here. Let me see what's going on here. There is still a bit movement downwards. I will not keep my sell position for a very long time. It will be for a short time just to protect my long position. It's just to protect my long position. So, New York Stock Exchange just opened. As you can see, we are right now in a very, very strong support level. It hit once, twice, third time. Now it's the third time that it's going. And if it's breaking through, it will be, and my indicator shows that it will break through, go a bit down, and then turn back. That's why I opened another position on gold in the opposite direction, and I started to hedge gold. And let's see how it will develop. As we said, we are very cold-blooded. We are very cold-blooded, and we react according to the movement right now. So I see that Kyriakos put some positions. I will pass right now to Kyriakos and inform you what I'm doing with the gold positions.
Thank you very much, Elif, for the pass. So just an update. Our Euro Aussie sell limit order was triggered a few minutes ago. And also we have entered long positions on pound yen. This is the pair we are currently looking. We have a nice bullish cross there of the moving averages on the 15-minute. It has rebounded nicely 1-2 times. So generally speaking, the yens indicate bullish behavior. So we are long euro yen, we are long dollar yen, and we are long also pound yen. They indicate a very bullish behavior. Let's see what the other trades are doing. Our dollar CHF trade is doing okay. It has just broken above the previous highs and is going well for us. Our euro dollar trade is also struggling to keep the 116 round number support level. I personally don't believe that it will do it. Eventually will break, and this of course will drive all the other pairs towards our side. We are short pound dollar. We are just a bit away from our take profit order. We have also shorted euro cut, is doing very well. We will check and see if it will break. I believe everything will break with the euro break. Aussie dollar, we don't have a position. Look at the contrary picture of the yen pairs. You see here the moving averages on euro yen, dollar yen, and pound yen. And look now at euro dollar. It's exactly the opposite way. So I have spotted that. That's why I have entered short on euro dollar and pound dollar. And that's why I have entered long positions on any pair that has yen as a variable currency. So they are looking really bullish. Our Bitcoin transaction is like a dead man's line. It doesn't move. Our Ethereum, same here. Let's hope that it moves. And what else do we have? We have also our silver. We are very close to trigger our third long position on silver. We don't want silver to break below these lows. That's why we have placed our stop loss a bit lower than these lows. We want a recovery back, and our target price is at 1.1660, as you can see here. I believe in this bottom because of the daily chart. It has tried too many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now is the 8th time that it tries to break it. It's a very strong support level. That's why I'm aiming for a rebound on the silver at 16.60. As I said, we have seen dollar cut. We have also entered a short position on dollar cut. The moving averages are looking down. It has tested them nicely. Now is declining again. And we believe that we will see a retest of this area and triggering of our take profit level. We don't want to see a close above this blue line. Guys, if we see a close above this blue line, most probably we will close it manually before hitting our stop loss level. So we are long euro yen, we are long Bitcoin, long Ethereum, long silver, long dollar CHF, long dollar yen, short euro cat, short euro dollar, short pound dollar, short dollar CAD, short Euro Aussie, and long pound yen. Plenty of trading action today. We will see how it goes and we will update you accordingly. I repeat again, if there is anything, any trade on any pair that you would like to discuss with me, any questions, you are more than welcome to ask me and discuss any pair you want. Discuss about your trades, discuss about your stop loss, discuss about your take profit. You can ask me any questions you have regarding technical support, resistance levels, or anything that you have learned in your training programs. Maybe we see it here now live and I verify that. For example, this is a double bottom. If it breaks above it, patterns that you are not sure if they are or not, feel free to ask me in the chat room. That's why we are here, guys, to always assist you and improve your trading tactics. So you can, of course, visit our website, as I have mentioned before. Don't forget our social media presence. You can follow us on Twitter at Trademy. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Trademy Trading Academy, so that you can see our recorded videos. And of course, you can like us on Facebook at our Facebook page, trademy.com.education. So that's all from me for the moment. The trades are running. We will see how it goes. And of course, we will keep you lively updated if we have any changes or any new positions to enter. You will be the first ones that you will know it. So I repeat, if you have any questions regarding any theoretical technical analysis aspects that you now see on the charts and you are not sure if it is it or it isn't, you are more than welcome to write your question in the chat and I will be answering all these questions. So that's all from me for the moment. I personally don't have anything else to add. I'm just monitoring my trades here and I will update you if I have any losses or profits, or if I want to change something, stop loss, take profit levels, I will update you accordingly. Elif, do you have any updates to discuss? Okay, I'm transferring you now to Elif.
Thank you, Kyriakos. Now we are coming back to me. Guys, so what I will do with my gold trades. As you know, we have two gold trades open. We are hedged on gold. It's very interesting movement right now on gold. What I will do, I have to be on top of it to react as fast as possible. I'm not expecting gold to trigger my take profit as it is right now. I'm expecting gold to drop as it did right now, and once my stochastic oscillator is crossing and the candle will hit my Bollinger Band, then I will close my sell position, because this is for me a very strong buy signal. So I will close my sell position. I will leave my buy position. I will close my sell position and leave my buy position. At that moment, it will be with a big loss at around, I guess, $4,000 my gold buy position, but I will leave it and I will open another gold position buy, and I will get the move upwards, because I'm expecting gold to drop, to come to a reversal point where I will close my position, my sell position, and then I will open a buy position. Because as you see, this level is all the time coming, hitting and going back, coming, hitting and going back. This is what I'm looking at right now. This is what I'm looking at. That's why I'm like a hawk on top of it. So on the other hand, DAX and Italy 40, we have a position on DAX and Italy 40. Let me see. Let's go back to this. Okay, where is it? Here is it. It's struggling a bit. It has a uptrend, a clear uptrend. We are long. I'm thinking to close these two positions. There we go. These two positions to give us triggered. Ching ching. Our DAX position just got triggered with $450 profit. Let's see, we are back to our Italy 40 position. Let's see. Italy 40, I will keep it a bit longer. Let me see on the yes, as you see, there is still some movement up there. Yeah, I'm getting here the signal that it will still go a bit up. That's why I will keep it there, the Italy 40 position, and wait for some profits here. Going back to gold is very important. We have to be very carefully with it, what is happening and how it's happening and what we can react and how we can react. As you can see, I will zoom a bit more in. As you can see, we are in the level where it hit once, twice, and this is the third time that this level is being hit all the time. Italy 40 is making right now $750. It's good. That's good. Why we didn't keep, why we kept it open. Let's see it again. Yes, there is still some air to go up. That's why I still keep it. That's why I keep it. Let's go back to gold. Guys, yes, I will close my sell position once I get the confirmation that the trend has ended and the reversal just started. It's not yet there. We can see it on the half-an-hour chart, even on the 15-minute chart, we can see it. It is still not clear if the trend has ended. That's why I'm waiting here. Otherwise, I will close my sell position and open eventually a second buy position. A second buy position I will open on a low price because I'm expecting then gold to go up. This is what I'm expecting, and I'm playing right now quite dangerous, but as we said, during trading you have to be cold-blooded and not getting into emotions. And losing money belongs to trading. We hope always to earn more than we lose, but as I said, when I started trading, I lost all my money, and then I had to sell my car, my student car as a small student without my parents knowing it. And with that money, I really learned to trade. And I would be really, really happy back then if I had the opportunity, the offer like Trademy, that people show me how to trade, so I didn't need to make this painful experience of losing my beloved car. Yes, guys. So I'm still looking at gold. You see, it's crazy. It's going down, it's going up, but still we didn't got the signal of closing it. That's why I'm leaving there and see what will happen. In case, I will explain you also what I will do if in case the market moves right now extremely up. I will keep my sell trade. It will be a losing trade, but I will keep it. I will let my buy trade to run. And when I get the signal that the movement is going down, I will close my buy trade and wait the price to drop. This is my strategy on when hedging. But this is not something you can do all day long. It's just on assets which are very rangy, volatile. Like today you see gold hit against the Bollinger Band, goes up, went down again, goes up, went down, and we are waiting now to go up, to get the signal for going up. And in case that it does go up now extremely, like it happened over here, and it looks like, I will let my buy position to run and close my buy position with a profit once I see that the trade is reversing. So Italy 40 started to give us some profits. It was up to $900 at some point, Italy 40. I will let it run a bit more because I see still movements to go up. So I will leave it to go while I'm checking gold. Gold is very important right now, and I'm really happy that you guys are with me to see how I'm reacting on it. It's something, maybe a unique possibility that we are right now live and we can follow this live. We can follow this live, and that's why I left also my second position, my sell position naked. I didn't put any stop loss or take profit because I'm still waiting for the result of my buy position. I see Kyriakos would like to update you on a certain point. I will pass to Kyriakos. If you have any kind of question, please let me know, guys.
Thank you, Elif. So we are back for a quick update of our Forex trading positions. Nothing has changed for the moment. The market has moved a bit towards our side. That's why you see this plus a bit more than $650. Let's see a quick round what we are doing. We are long euro, all the yens, euro yen. We are long dollar yen. We are long pound yen. We are long. We have entered long positions on Bitcoin. Didn't move so far. And Ethereum. Our third trade on silver was triggered. So now we have 3 positions of 3 lots each on silver, aiming for 16.60. We are long dollar CHF, is slowly moving upwards towards our target. We have entered, as I said, long positions of the yens. We have shorted EuroCAD. Now it has entered a small trading range on the 15-minute chart. The last hour didn't move substantially, didn't move at all actually. So it stayed there. We will monitor that. We believe that the decline is not over. Since these resistance lines are approaching the price, I believe that they will push it even further to the downside. We have entered also short positions on euro dollar. Is at the crucial resistance level. I believe the reason I have shorted it is that I believe that it will not hold the 116 and it will break to the downside. Same pound dollar. it has been ranging in a narrow trading range the past 1 hour. Dollar CAD is nicely falling towards our take profit level. We are getting there shortly. Our Euro-Aussie sell limit order was triggered nicely here, and again here we are moving towards our take profit limit order, and I think we will hit it, guys. We are approaching now Euro-Aussie. A green button will appear in a while, and maybe we manage to see that closing of Euro-Aussie live. We are talking about $750 profit is approaching our target. The green light should open any minute now. Remember that since we are short, we are looking for the ask price to reach the 157.10 level. So we are now, the green light appeared. Let's switch to the 5-minute chart so that we can see it live. So now we are just 9 pips away from our take profit, guys. It goes a bit up, a bit down, but eventually I believe that it will hit our target and the $750 in approximately, how many minutes is that? 10, 12, 30 to 40 minutes approximately. However, the party cannot start unless we hit take profit, guys, especially in the Forex market where the movements are very volatile. So we are monitoring live now our trade on Euro-Aussie, patiently waiting to hit our take profit target at 157.10. In the meantime, let's see how the rest of the trades are doing. Euro-Yen is doing okay. Bitcoin, line of the dead man. Ethereum, line of the dead man again. Our silver is rebounding. That's what we want. Our CHF, dollar CHF is doing well. Our dollar yen is in a very strong bullish momentum. However, it's not moving, and I'm wondering why. I think we will have a small consolidation here, and then we will break to the upside. Our euro CAD trade again is within a very narrow trading range. Euro dollar is at a crucial level now. We don't want to see a break above this green line, but as you can see, these lines act as a primary resistance for the euro. We believe that the euro will break eventually the 116. Very strong momentum. It has tried here to break. It is slowly recovering, and we believe that we will have eventually the break. This will drive also pound dollar to the downside and eventually hitting our take profit target. Dollar CAD is rebounding now a bit, not a big deal. Euro-Aussie is approaching our take profit target. We want definitely to break this Bollinger Band. It acts as a minor support. It's a minor support. That's why we believe that we will break it at the end and hit our take profit. And as I said, the yen pairs, we have entered long positions. Overall, currently we're a bit more than $600 profit, and we are still waiting for the instruments to move towards our side. So we watch now on the 5-minute chart the Euro-Aussie. It tries to break again and take the take profit order and trigger the take profit order we have currently placed. Slowly we are getting there, guys. That's $750 trade. Not bad for 30 minutes on Euro-Aussie. Currently the account is standing today at plus $800. So now we are patiently waiting for the take profit to be triggered. Just 8 pips away on Euro-Aussie, guys. Remember that since we have shorted, we want the ask price to reach the level of 57,100. So currently we are just 6.7, 6.8 pips away. Stay with us and we will see that trade closing nicely. So what I will do now, since the trade has approached our take profit level, I will lock some profits. That's why I will put my stop loss at this level. So we need to move our stop loss at 57.35. So 57.35, that's our stop loss now. We are locking profits, guys, so move stop loss on Euro Aussie to 1.5735. We are just a few pips away from triggering our entry level price, our take profit level. Now the bid price has reached our target. It's just now the spread. It's 4 pips is the spread. We believe that we will get it, guys. Be patient. It's falling. Come on, 2.2 pips, 1.8 pips. It's getting there. It's going to be a big break. I believe we will see a big break on Eurozim, but let's don't get greedy. We just want the ask price to reach 157.10. This trade is a winning trade anyway, since we have locked some profits, but we prefer to see our take profit order get triggered. So we are patiently waiting for the price to break. It's a very good setup for a break. I believe it will do it. Okay, for the moment, let's switch to the 1 minute chart. You are monitoring now live our, okay, the platform got crazy, just a moment to fix. Okay, here we are. You see that the bid price reached our target, but the ask price did not, and is now going up. Anyway, you know that we have locked profits on this trade, so it's going to be either $200 profit or $750 profit. Elif, do you prefer to stay with me, or do you want to say something? Okay. If I one moment, Elif is moving down again, just to see this trade closing live for our participants. If it is something really urgent, you can interrupt me, okay? So it's, oh guys, we just hit take profit, $750 on Eurozzy. Okay, Elif, now I'm transferring them to you.
Hey, there we go. Basically, I'm very close. There we go. I'm very close to close my Italy 40 position. $1,200 close. Take profit on Italy 40. Ching ching. We made $1,200 on Italy 40 within 1 hour. Ching ching. That's done. That's done. So we are back with gold. Now breaking plates. Sassy is saying breaking plates. Yes, tack, 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 tack. There we go. That's the Greek way of celebrating. We are going back to the gold. Gold is very interesting. And once again, I can tell you, I'm really happy to give you the possibility of checking these guys. Check this out. So I'm making right now $500 on one trade, and when I get the signal, I will go out of my sell position. Right now it breaks through the downtrend of the very strong support level. And guys, I'm thinking to close my sell position. Let me wait. If it goes throughout the Bollinger Band, I will close. I will wait now a bit more. I can expect here to get some profit. And then gold, as you see, it drops and then it goes up. It drops and it goes up. And I'm right now it's again above, and it's really interesting that you guys have the chance to see how we manage a hedged position. It's really interesting and very, very important for you guys, because I get very often this question, guys. What is going on? Let's hedge a position. Hedging a position is not easy, because you hedge a position, but you don't know when to exit, when to enter. You know, then you have one really big losing position and one profiting position, and you think, okay, what if? No, shall I close it or not? And this is what I'm trying to show you right now over here, how you can manage a position like this. I'm trying to get the signal to exit my sell position, because I'm expecting a reversal. So right now, as you see, I put take profit for my sell position. Just, how can I say it? The German word is provisorisch. I don't remember the English word of it. Never mind. What I'm trying to say is basically I put a take profit just to have one, but I'm observing it right now, and while I was closing the Italy position, we had the great chance to exit it, but as usual, I'm talking and I'm talking and not spending time, but it's very close. I will close the position once I get a profit of around $300, because this is out of the Bollinger Band and giving me the signal of reversal. And when it gives me the signal of reversal, I know that the down pattern stopped and it will come up. Once it comes up, I will not expect a huge profit on the buy position. For me, it's basically the idea of losing as less as possible. This is the idea, and this is what I'm doing right now, and I'm looking forward for it. I put also a sell limit, because while Kyriakos was updating you about the forex pairs, the price went up over here, and my buy position was making a small profit, and I put a buy limit, a sell limit here, at the same level where I put a stop loss for my short position. So which means I'm expecting to go up and close a position and then to drop. This was my calculation, but before I could introduce you this strategy, the price continued to drop, had a very strong drop, as you can see, and it's continuing to drop. So there is no need at the moment for the sell limit. Once I close my sell position, I will delete also the sell limit order. This is what I will do, and it's very interesting. And guys, please be really aware of what I'm doing right now. And yeah, if you have any questions about this, what I'm doing right now and why I'm doing it, just let me know and I will explain it once again. I know I talk a lot and it might be not clear what's going through my mind. Just let me know, give me feedback on chat, and I will explain it once again. So right now, so I will take my take profit a bit higher. So I modified the take profit of my sell position. So I'm quite sure that the price will get triggered. There we go. Because here it will get triggered. So once it gets triggered, I will see how, according to the situation at that moment, how it will get triggered. I will react and maybe open over there another buy position. And that's why it's very important when you are hedged to be on top. Don't leave your position just like that, just because you are hedged, guys. It's very important. I love this kind of trades. I really love them because they make your heart to move. So while we are trading, while this is moving, we have an eye on it on the chat. Let's see. Oh, we lost a great possibility on DAX. Let me see. On DAX, we lost a great possibility. Let's see if you pull back. Come back, baby, a bit. So we can open another one trade here to make the evening nice. Yes, a bit more. A bit more, come back a bit more. The guys, I'm going again one buy position on DAX. I'm buying DAX. I'm buying DAX. I went long on DAX. There is a wonderful uptrend. For anybody who didn't enter, now you get a better price. Go to Italy 40. If we can see on Italy 40, no, Italy 40, I don't. No, I went on DAX and DAX is good. Let's put also our limit orders. So my take profit is, we put very narrow take profits because the movement was already quite strong, and I don't expect a big movement right now. It's basically the trend is there. It will go slowly continue to go up, and then we see. So guys, on gold, let's go back to gold. A very interesting, very interesting gold trading day. It's extremely interesting, and I'm really happy that you guys are with me over here. You see it's going down, coming up, going down, coming up, and this is really interesting and giving me the possibility, showing you how to hedge. For being able to hedge, you have to be cold-blooded. So the good thing on hedging is, okay, let me see, on assets like gold, is that gold is giving you the moves to be able to hedge. There are other assets which they don't really move, and to manage a position, hedging is like sometimes like a torture. Guys, I think, yeah, the signal is given. On the next drop, which the price will continue to drop, I will close my sell position because the signal is given that it will continue now to go up. Okay, on the next drop, I will close my position on my sell position. And I might open another buy position over there, but we see. I see Kyriakos has a small update for you guys. I have another DAX position. Oh, I forgot to write it down on chat that I have a DAX position open. I will pass to Kyriakos and then we talk.
Thank you very much, Elif. one moment to show you my screen as well. We have another trade approaching to hit our take profit level. This is dollar cut. We are looking on the 15-minute chart. Remember that we have entered short positions on dollar cut. It's patiently approaching our take profit, and here we are aiming for a bit more than $500 profit. That's our second, most probably will be our second winning trade in the afternoon session. The first one was Euro Aussie in a bit more than $750. Now we have shorted dollar cut and we are aiming for $550. We are just 9 pips away from our take profit triggering price. We are monitoring the 1-minute chart, and most probably we will see also this trade closing live in front of your eyes here, and enjoy the moment, of course. So currently our overall positions indicate an unrealized profit a bit more than $800. Let's see how the day will end. So we are monitoring now dollar cut. I'm thinking of locking some profits. I think I will move my stop loss on dollar cut at 133 round number. I don't believe it will test it, so I just move my dollar cut. Alright, move stop loss USD cut at 1.33. I think the 133 level is gone now. The price should not test it. I repeat, the price should not test it again. That's why I believe that this level is safe now. Again, this is a winning trade. Anyway, the worst case scenario to get $100, best case to get $550. Of course, we would like to get $550. But also it's very good to protect our profits, study carefully the charts and place them at the exact place. For example, you shouldn't place it here because you are short plus the spread 1 pip. The 1 minute can easily go up to this green line. As you can see, I have locked profits above all these lines. So we are just 10 pips away from our take profit on dollar cut. Let's go around and see what the other pairs are doing. Elif, you can interrupt me at any moment you wish, okay? So we are watching dollar cut. Our euro yen trade is troubling us a bit, but is slowly moving towards our take profit level. Bitcoin, no movement. Ethereum, no movement. Our silver positions are doing okay. Remember that we have entered 3 positions of 3 lots each on silver. Our dollar CHF trade is consolidating here. I believe it will continue is going up. Dollar yen consolidation phase after a long rally. We are with the trend. We have nothing to be afraid about. I believe that we will get this as well. Euro CAD is dropping nicely as expected. I want also euro dollar to break the 116 just to be on the safe side. Same for pound dollar. Dollar CAD we said, and pound yen again is troubling us a bit. And slowly, I believe we will get to our target. Let's go back to our dollar CAD. We are 7 pips now away from our take profit target and the $550. As I have posted in the chat room, we have now locked profits on dollar CAD. We have moved our stop loss at 1.33. Since the stop loss is at a lower price than our triggering price, this automatically means that this trade will close at a profit anyway. So currently our trading account is standing at an unrealized profit of a bit more $900 for the afternoon session. We are patiently waiting for dollar CAD trade to hit either this take profit order or this one. Of course, we would like to get more money. That's why we want to hit the $550 winning position trade. This is the 1 minute chart. Is slowly moving to the downside. Maybe it needs some more time. That's why you're staying here with us live. How many of you guys entered with me this position, dollar CAD? I know that I have many positions, but how many people entered dollar CAD short with me? Okay. So nobody. Okay, no problem. It's absolutely at your own discretion, guys, to follow us or not. I repeat that. And again, I want to repeat that you can close any position at any time. If you are not feeling comfortable with the money management that we use, if you are satisfied with the profits, if you are a person that cut losses, can't stand with big losses, again, it's your own responsibility to manage your account correctly based on what you feel it's right. So currently we are just 5 pips away from our dollar CAD trade. Remember that on dollar CAD we have around 1 pip spread, a bit less than 1 pip now. So this means that the ask price we wanted to hit 80. It means that the bid price will go at around 78.9. So we are just 5 pips now away from our take profit triggering level. 4 pips now. We are patiently waiting for the take profit price to be triggered. Remember that these are the daily lows. So if it breaks, it will be a sudden break. So as you can see here, we have a small bottom. But since this is the second time it tested it, I believe that it will break it very well. So just 2.5 pips away is breaking, guys. 1 pip away. Come on, break. It's $550, guys. We want $550. Come on. Break. Do the break. You're just 2 pips away. We are just 2 pips away from the $555, guys. Patiently waiting for the trade to hit our take profit. It's just the spread now. The bid price has well arrived our target. That's 1.7 pips now away and is moving back. Okay, now it's good. Let's lower our stop loss at 32.92. So I will move my stop loss at 32.92, locking some more profits. Let me also post it on the forum. So move stop loss USD CAD at 1.3292. So we have locked some more profits on dollar CAD. We are just 1.8 pips away from our triggering take profit level price, and is moving, guys. Is getting there. 1.5 pips. Just a sec. It's either $280 or $550. We will watch it live. 1 pip away. Leave μου θέλεις το. Βγαίνει να κλείσει τώρα. It's going to close now. You want it? Is it urgent? Okay.
It's okay. It's semi-urgent.
It's semi-urgent. Okay. Just a moment to see the close. If it's really urgent, I will transfer it.
Semi-urgent. It's okay.
So we are getting there. Half a pip to hit our take profit. Come on, we closed it. Okay. $555. Now they are all you.
What happened? I'm here. What happened? You hear me, guys? Guys, do you hear me? Yes, guys, it is very, very nice now. As you know, my gold position is making right now $1,400, and I'm going to close it right now. I just closed it. I closed my gold position with $1,400 because It was my buy position. I closed it right now with $1,400. I still have my sell position open, which I got the signal that soon the price will drop. It might go a bit more up. It's totally okay. That's why I keep it still there. Wait, where is this? Let me see. Modify. There we go. So I'm looking at it still. I'm looking at it, and I see Kyriakos wants you back. Guys, Kyriakos wants you back.
Okay, guys, we have the third trade that approaches our take profit level for today. And I want to share my screen as well. Just a moment to share my screen. Okay. So we are watching our EuroCAD. We are aiming for a profit of $900. So what I will do, I will lock some profits on dollar CAD. It's marginally away from our take profit. So we will move our stop loss at 1.5425. So that's our stop loss for dollar CAD, locking some profits, 54.25. Let's see, it's there. So it's either going to be $564, guys, or $903. It's either way, and we are monitoring now the 1 minute chart. That's 25 pips stop loss trade, take profit trade. Not bad. It's either that one, 564, or $903. It has marginally tested our take profit. It's a critical support level. That's why I have decided to lock some profits. It's going either way. As you can see, we are just half a pip away to close the position with $564 profit. We will see how it goes and update you accordingly. Just half a pip away, $564. It's just half a pip, less than half a pip. Now it's closed. Okay, $564 on dollar CAD. That's our third trade for the afternoon session, closing with a profit. Elif, sorry for the interruption. We're back to you.
Thank you, Kyriakos, for money making. We never feel sorry for interruption. So, guys, I'm so happy that you are with me while I'm hedging. So we hedged, we closed our buy position with a profit of $1,200. We have right now a sell position, and we closed our buy position because we saw that the market tend to turn back, and that's why I closed my buy position, and I'm waiting now the price to drop. And if I get a stronger signal, I might open another sell position to get this movement down. So we really abuse the market movement, guys. We abuse the market movement. However, we had a very, very nice trading moment. A lot of people of you, a lot of guys of you were asking me to hedge from time to time, if hedging is a good strategy. It is not a bad strategy, but it is a difficult strategy, guys. Hedging is not as easy as a lot of people outside there is thinking. You have to know exactly when to enter, when to exit. You see, we exit the market, and now it started slowly to drop down. And it will take a bit time, and then it will drop further down, and once I get a bit of profit, I will close it. I will close this position, and I might, in the meantime, if I get a very, very strong signal, I might open another sell position to get this movement down. But for this, I will wait a bit. And hedging is only possible on very volatile assets like today with gold. Like I wouldn't recommend hedging on a very narrow trading range. It just makes you crazy, just drives you crazy, while you see it's so wonderful, guys. It's so wonderful. And I'm so happy that you are with me. We got the movement, we got a profit of $1,200 on gold, and now the market starts to drop. We exit in the perfect time. Now it starts to drop, and once it's below one, I put also my take profit. With this take profit, I would get around $1,800. I will move a bit higher my take profit on this position, on this asset. I will put it close to the Bollinger Band. Let me see. I don't expect very big profits. I don't want to expect very big profits. So once the market moves against it, I will get again some money in there, and we have a nice trading afternoon, guys. We made a losing trade to a winning trade. Is that nice? Is that nice? This is nice, guys, right? And we saw over here 1 to 1 how hedging works and how you can master your emotions and be cold-blooded and just really scalp the markets out. Get the smallest drop of blood out of these markets, guys. However, I see that Kyriakos has some updates. Kyriakos, would you like to update?
Yes.
Okay, I'm passing now to Kyriakos.
Okay, guys, we have closed 3 winning positions this afternoon. I think we will close more. So we are looking now at pound dollar. Let's go, guys, for our 4th winning trade in this afternoon. And this is under the name of pound dollar. So it's closely approaching our take profit level. We have lowered our stop loss on pound dollar, and this is exactly what I have posted in the chat room. We have lowered our stop loss now for pound dollar to 131.80. Let's see what our trades are doing. Euro yen is slowly but getting there towards our take profit target. Bitcoin, no comment. Ethereum, no comment. Our silver trade is doing fine. Remember that we have entered 3 positions of 3 lots on silver. I am expecting a short-term bottom on silver, and that's why I have entered it so heavily leveraged on that, of course with controllable risk always, aiming for the 16.60 level. Our dollar CHF trade again is consolidating here, but towards our favor. The same for dollar yen. So slowly now we definitely want euro dollar to break, guys. I mean, I want to see euro dollar break below the 116 level. This will favor us a lot. So pound dollar is getting there. I think pound dollar will drop faster than euro dollar. Our dollar cut is it was triggered, so we are left now with, let's classify them. So we are left with pound yen, pound dollar, and it's getting there, guys. Get ready for another take profit level. So we are just a few pips away. Just a moment for the platform to do its stuff, and look at that beautiful break on the 1-minute chart. Now we are aiming for $789 on pound dollar. Is getting there. So get ready for another take profit level, hopefully. I repeat that, we cannot start partying unless we hit a take profit. Now what I will do If the price breaks below that level, I will lock some profits on pound dollar, but I definitely want to see a close below that level. If this is the case, then I will put my stop loss at 131.60, guys. But I want to see a close below this level, so let me have it ready. Move stop loss pound dollar at 131.60. Come on, break below that level, and we will lock some more profits, guys. Okay, it's breaking. I just want to see the price making new lows lower than this level here, and I will lock some profits. Come on, make the lows. It's going there. 131.47, and we will lock some profits. Another risk-free trade. Come on. 131.47. I want the price lower than 131.47. I will lock it. Okay, it's going there. Come on, go, 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 go. How many of you guys followed me on that trade? Just type in the chat how many of you followed me on that trade. Good, nice to see some people followed us. Great. Okay, I'm locking some profits. I don't want to risk this trade, so I'm locking profits on pound dollar. 131.60 is my new stop loss, and I have just posted it in the forum. This means that worst case scenario from this trade, we get $189. Our best case scenario, which is the most probable one, we will get $789. It goes without saying that if the trade develops, we will manage our profit and losses accordingly. Maybe we lock some more profits. So for the moment, we are waiting for the take profit level to hit. I see that the leaf entered the short position on gold at, what's that price?
1,255.
1,255. Okay. So we are watching now pound dollar. I leave, you can interrupt me as you know at any time. Now? You want now?
Hey.
All right, we go to a leaf.
Hey guys, I'm back. So we exit our buy position on gold, and I told you when I get the correct signals, I might sell gold again. And this is what I did. I sold gold again, guys. I sold gold, and I'm expecting the gold price to drop furthermore, and to get the movement out of here, this movement down, and I want the profits out of this movement there. That's why I sold again gold, guys. Just for you to know, we closed our buy position up there, and now we are again short on 2 positions. And let's see what we will get out of here. Just for you to know, I put also my take profits and my stop loss. My stop loss I didn't put. I will modify it directly here. And let's see. It seems like that we will make some money out of here. So Kyriakos, until now, this is from me for today. It was a very interesting trading day. We had some losses, but we had great hatching opportunities. We learned how we can control our emotions and be cold-blooded. Sure, it doesn't mean if you control your emotions that you don't celebrate your profits. It's more than welcome to celebrate your profits, but being happy about your profit doesn't mean that you need to trade like hell and be over confident. Just keep on earth and react with a clear mind and clear strategy, guys. This
All
is
right.
what I want to say today. And now, Kyriakos, thank you for listening.
Okay, guys, since this is the end of the trading session, I believe it's time to start closing some positions that are currently profitable. Just a moment to share my screen. So I will close my pound dollar position with $330. And also I will close dollar CHF, $200, dollar yen, $190, euro yen, $300, and pound yen with a profit of $21. So basically what I would like to show you for today, this is our trading session for the moment. This is the afternoon's trading session. We had a nice afternoon trading session actually. I don't know how much exactly the profits are. I will make them roughly now. All made in the afternoon trading session. So roughly, just a moment to make the additions. 190, 184 plus 26. We are talking about $3,660 in 1 hour and 15 minutes of trading, guys. In our afternoon session, that's $3,660 profit. I would like to thank you very much for your participation. I'm keeping some of my positions open: Bitcoin, Ethereum, our euro dollar. We forgot euro dollar. Okay, subtract from this 105. So that's $3,500 approximately dollars profit for the afternoon session. So I'm keeping the silver, I'm keeping Ethereum, and I'm keeping Bitcoin for more days, and I will let them run as I have said in the morning session. So $3,500 approximately profits for the afternoon session. I would like to thank you for your participation. Have a nice day ahead, and we will continue tomorrow at 8 o'clock a.m. UTC time. Have a nice day ahead. From me and Elif, we wish you a nice day and a pleasant evening ahead. Bye-bye.